your galaxy of intellectual and the most valued parents.
On this beautiful evening, glitters of stars and dark blue sky.
मैफिल तर खरी आहे लोकांच्या येण्याने, मैफिल तर खरी
माईक
आहे
नजदीक
लोकांच्या येण्याने, पण त्यात रंगत भरतो अंकलचा तराना, पण रंगत त्यात भरतो अंकलचा तराना. त्याच्याशिवाय तर असे वाटते जसे रात राधुरी आणि गीत अनोळखी. So I am your Anam Nadia with my co-host Shreya is here to extend you with a warm and cordial welcome to the grand celebration of the school annual day event.
Our school has always aimed to develop and groom the abilities, creativity, and hidden talents of our young minds.
And keeping this in our mind, we are going to present another annual day showcasing
Mic
the
नजदीक
wonderful talents
नजदीक
around 250 students of class nursery to class 7th in this program.
This is the most awaited section of every event. Within a few minutes, we are going to watch and enjoy the gorgeous dance performance. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to get that thrill of exciting dramas, energetic dances, and power pocket performance of our young talented students?
Can I expect a huge round of applause? Please clap your hands.
Clap, clap.
Thank you for clap. Claps are the best motivation that you could give to our young lads. टाळ्या म्हणजे प्रेम, टाळ्या म्हणजे आदर, टाळ्या म्हणजे प्रेम, टाळ्या म्हणजे आदर. लेकरांना ऊर्जा देई टाळ्यांचा हा सागर, लेकरांना ऊर्जा देई टाळ्यांचा हा सागर.
So, without wasting further time, let's watch out the dance performance, Ahirani theme. I request to third standard, please come on the stage